profitable project. There is best cryptocurrency exchange to trade, earning and learning. Then you have come on the right place. Today we are talking about the GetX. This is also about world most trusted crypto trading platform, whether you are seasoned crypto trader or just starting out. GetX has everything you need to succeed in your crypto world. Link will be shared where you have to explore, and with the GetX trading is fast, easy and secure. There is also ultra low fees with 24/7 team support. Here you can manage your crypto asset in just a few clicks. No complicated process, no hidden fees. Their platform offer ultra low fees and new startups, so where you can partnership. You can also get best startups, as well as there are many airdrops events too in which you can participate, and this is going to support to you, so you can also get our next financial freedom where you can start trading. This is the GetX, best exchange in the world. And now GetX is not just for the pro trader, it's perfect for the beginner too. Yes, there you can easily buy sell. The user friendly ecosystem is going to support the beginner too. If you are new to crypto, don't worry, their new user interface step by step guide make you trading simple. And for the advanced trader out there, GetX provide powerful tools like start your epic journey with favorite cryptocurrency. And hi, there are also GetX that is going to providing the more powerful tools, real time data, and you can analyze it. There is completely secure with high volume liquidity. Automated trading is also here with the advanced charting to give you competitive edge what you need. There you can also check out how to get started in just 1 minute. Here you can analyze, and US statistics is here. 100 plus countries is going to work on the GetX. There is trusted by the world over near about to millions of people who are going to be as a trader and getting the profit. Let's talk about the diversification. With GetX, you can build a diverse crypto portfolio without any hassle, and choose a firm wide range of cryptocurrency. Manage your investment easily. There you can start trading, maximize security with complete transparency, no hidden charges. Transactions are very fast and enjoy seamless trading experience with no hidden charges, and team is also going to support you 24/7. You can also do all these things in under one click, and you can also follow it on your fingertips. You can download their application, so you can start and getting the access to your account anywhere from anywhere. So next, you can also check out how to create an account. For that, you can click on the register, where you have to put your email, your password, your refer ID I will provide in my video, and then you have to click on the terms and condition. Click on the create account. Next, you can also put here your authenticator code. For that, you have already added, so it should be secure and working in a secure ecosystem. That's why we have a code. So here I can also put, and then you can also click on the next login, and it will be successfully completed. In this way, you can also log into this account. Your account will be logged in successfully, where you can enable identity verification for your best security system. You can analyze here. Here's something even better. When you come on the dashboard, there you can also check out all these details I have already shared. In their market, you can check out their launch board, where you can apply for the best reward. And there is also next detail is about the affiliate income. There is also next detail is about the academic program blogs, where you can read, you can get the tutorials reward, and here is also referral income too. Next, you can start crypto trading in their sport, as well as you can do your future income on this platform. GetX lets you generate passive income through staking, reward earning programs. Just hold the crypto asset and watch your earning grow. It that easy. Next, you can also check out what the peer in which you are going to start working. There you can select, and according to that you can also buy or sell. The process is here. You have to select the limit or market, and then you have to put the number of amount. Here you have to click on the buy or sell. This is very simple and easy. Next detail is about their copy trader, that is also coming very soon, and P2P is also very coming soon. So you can start future trading, as well as there is also like a sport trading that is going to change your future. Next detail is about their tournaments in which you can get a mega reward. Let's talk about millions of traders around the world trusted on the GetX, and there is many like coming soon. mega trading event in which you can participate, as well as there is also crypto loan, how you are going to get the annual per yield. And platform is more than just a place to trade. It's a thriving global community where you can learn, grow, and connect with the fellow traders. How you will get started, the simple step I have already shown it to you. You can create your account, you can come on your dashboard where you can like deposit. You can also check out how to deposit. You have to select the asset as well as their chain. When you will select, according to that, the QR code and address will be given that you can scan, and you can also add your balance. As well as here you can start trading in their ecosystem. You have a chance to get best passive income. Alright guys, this is in this video that I have shared with you a complete detail about the flexible and reliable program. If you are looking for a secure and fast, reliable crypto exchange, GetX is way to go. Click the link in video description. Sign up now and start your crypto journey today. If you found this video helpful, you can share with your friends, and you can also get there is launch pool when IDO and when any project will be listed in ICO. This will be this will be given a best update on their social media links too. Join it right now. Be a partner. Be a community. Thanks. Now, my friends, I am going to telling you the step that you have to complete. Like there is also KYC, mean identity verification. You have to complete it by just following the steps. So first of all, you have to complete. Here you have to write, upload your first and backside of your CNIC, and this is also going to be verified. Next, you have to put your proof of address. Mean there will be a complete address on your backside of CNIC. You have to also upload it. Then you have to do a live verification for the face as a selfie. And after all these credentials, you can also go for the submit option. Once the team will verify it, then this is also turning into verify, and in this way you can also verified your account. Then you will be able to do anything on this platform, like you can start trading, deposit, and taking withdrawal instantly. Everything is now available. As well as if you will invite your friend from different social media links, so when they will join through your link, they will get 15% of money of the trading fee of all trade by you make. And for example, there is also means a referral code B, and B use a referral code of A, create an account, B make the trade, A will get 15% fees applies for all trade B makes in lifetime. Every trade B makes, A will get 15% of trading. So this is going to be next huge reward. So if you want to join this platform and you want to get the 15% reward as passive income, then join it right now, and all this link will be provided in my video. So I hope you have cleared. Thanks for watching. And my friends, there is also a best option to you that you can start GetX as a voting contest where you can get a huge reward of $5,000. There is promotion will be end after 25 days. So you can also join it right now, as there is vote for the favorite project for the KYC verification. You can get $25 as verification reward. If you want to vote, you have to click on it. There are many rewards as for there is also many other projects. If you want to vote, here you have to choose and click on the vote. You can also complete your KYC to get $25 reward. This is very simple. In this way you can also do a best participation in their GetX. I hope you have played. Thanks for watching.